Hey, what's up guys? It's Brian from J&P Cycles, and Roland Sands has an all-new forged aluminum wheel for you R9T guys. Now, Roland Sands makes plenty of wheels and they've always been available for Harleys or other cruiser bikes, but now the BMW R9T can get some new shoes of their own. Let's get rid of those old spoked wheels that require tubes, and then this new forged wheel is going to be lighter, it's going to look way better, and we don't need to run tubes on it either. So these are available now at jpcycles.com, and it's a super install. Most of these come with all the bearings that you need. So this is the rear wheel. They're going to come with the extra spacers we need. The front, the bearings are already packed. It's a simple install. I'm going to show you how to get it done. Swap out your stock exhaust with the RSD slip-on. To complete the look and really show off both that rear wheel, you get a new exhaust look and sound. Head on over to jpcycles.com where you can find these Roland Sands forged aluminum Del Mar wheels available now. If you'd like to see more product installs or gear reviews, hit us up on social media, subscribe to us on YouTube, and together we'll help you find what's next.